Hello my soul family, I am back with the weekly guidance. So today we are going to have a weekly guidance from the universe and the divine for this particular week, which is from 24th of March to 30th of March. So let's see what is the divine and the universe has the particular specific guidance for all of you guys. So I would request all of you guys to kindly close your eyes, keep thinking about one question or throw an intention to the universe and the divine, and I'll receive the guidance, and then definitely I'll be sharing whatever the universe and divine has to channel it through me to all of you guys, right? So please close your eyes and keep thinking about a specific question, or just throw the intention to the universe and divine. So divine and the universe, please give us a guidance or a message for all my YouTube subscribers, Instagram followers, and to all the people who are watching my video right now, so that they can see some fantastic changes, positive changes in their life. Divine and the universe, please, please, please share your guidance. Alright, so the guidance have come. The guidance here is this week is going to be the week of fortune. Amazing. So the week of fortune, it means that this particular week from 24th March to 30th of March is going to bring a lot of good luck, fortune, and also some positive news you can expect. It can be big, small, or average, but positivities are going to happen in this particular week. Even if it is a small miracles which are happening, you must embrace and acknowledge these positive things that will be happening in this week, right? So you can also try planning a travel with your partner, because this is the best time where your energy will be very stable, very balanced, very positive, and you will have a very broad and a very open mindset. So in this particular energy, if you're traveling with your partner, this will bring lot of good luck, fortune, and you can also have wonderful, amazing bonding with your partner as well, right? This week also will bring lot of fun, which means you may go out for a party, or you will always feel very happy, very enthusiastic to do certain fun oriented stuff. And also if you are investing, or if you want to invest, this is the right time. You can think about any financial investment, or anything which is based on your luck. You may also start seeing some results in this particular week. So overall, this is the week of fortune. So I think this is the best week where you should take the help of this particular fantastic energy. Have some fantastic travel. If it is not a very very expensive, luxurious, or long travel with your partner, which looks difficult at this moment, don't worry about that. Just plan something which is within your capacity, and even if it is like little day outing or something, or evening outing or something with your partner quite often in this particular week, though, so you must plan this, right? I'll give you some quick remedies which will also help you to retain this beautiful balance and beautiful energy. And this particular guidance and the remedy that I'm going to give you is basically zero investment, because I believe in giving remedies in the initial stage which will not involve too much of financial costs, but you can do it at ease and while sitting at home as well. So the first remedy is again, if you are a big fan of crystals. So I am a big fan of crystals, so I'm wearing this, if you can see, right? So if you are a big fan of crystal, you can start wearing clear quartz, or you can wear citrine bracelet, pendant, or clear quartz bracelet, pendant. Anything is fine, or tumbler or tower, anything. Yeah, any shape doesn't matter. So you can keep any of these crystals with you. If you don't have crystals, nothing to worry. I will give you another solution for that. So try using more of bright color in this week. Avoid any dark colors like dark gray, dark gray, or dark red. So just use the vibrant and the bright color for this entire week. If wearing is difficult, for example, if you're working somewhere and you can't wear these bright colors, try to keep something which is bright in color with you. For example, yellow color handkerchief, you can keep it. You can keep the phone wallpaper with some very nice beautiful combination of colors like yellow, white, all these colors you can keep it. Or you can keep the bright red color. Also you can keep a bright blue. Definitely you can keep all these colors in the wallpaper. If not, then try to wear bright colors more. Alright, and secondly, you must take the blessings of your father, or if you, in case, if it is difficult for you to reach out to him, or for some reasons you are not able to get the blessings from him physically, you can also take the blessings of any male person in your family, which is like father-like or from uncle. So seek blessings frequently for this entire week, which will also help you to clear all the hurdles and make your energy go really balanced and positive, and you will feel that beautiful playfulness within you as well. Last but not the least, definitely try gauging to the sun in the early morning, like before 10 o'clock or so, because after 10 the sun becomes very bright and it may be difficult for you to gaze at the sun. So don't gaze directly. Even if you're sitting under the sun, spending some time under the sun is also fine. So try to spend some 5-10 minutes under the sun, or if you are taking a walk or something, nothing like it. So try to spend some time with the sunlight, with the sun energy, so that your body, your mind absorbs that beautiful solar energy in the early morning. And try doing it every day if possible. If it is really difficult to do it every day, do it alternate days, and you will start seeing certain changes in terms of your financial area. So these guidances which I am telling, the remedies which I am telling you, is based on numerology, and also to some extent about certain numbers basis the card has. So as I said, this particular, if you can see the picture here, it is a lady who is so happy, and this lady is like this carefree playfulness kind of an energy. So this is the energy you are going to carry for entire week. So try to retain this. I have shared all the remedies with all of you guys. Try to follow them, and I'm giving such remedies so that you can do it with full ease and comfort, right? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, because every week on Monday I have started this weekly guidances for all of you guys, so that you know how to live this particular week, and you can get the best positive results through this entire week, right? So many of you have actually texted my team for the one-to-one personal consultation on tarot readings with me. So you have to book a slot for that. So you can definitely find the details of the WhatsApp number in the description box below, and just get connected with my team. The team will just share all the slot related details with you. These are paid readings, of course, and I definitely do one-to-one paid consultations with all of you guys, and I also provide remedies, which I said I'm not going to give any remedy which is very expensive. So with that, thank you everyone, and I wish you with a lot of fortune, good luck, positive vibes, enthusiasm coming in this week. And people who are watching this video, I'm definitely I'm very sure that you will find the energy of this entire week in this particular video. So live your life fully, but again, don't take any hasty or quick decisions, because hasty decisions can backfire you in this week. So just have a balanced mindset, open mindset, and then if possible take a tarot guidance and then take any critical decisions, right? So if you wish to just keep receiving this weekly guidances more often, don't forget to just like, share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon, so that whenever I'm uploading a new video, you can just click on the video and start receiving all the information that my divine guidance has for all of you. So thank you once again, and I'll see you soon in my next video with lots of love, and God bless all of you guys from this beautiful Ho'oponopono Journey channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and have wonderful, fantastic fun and good luck coming your way for this entire week. So bye bye.